I do believe that when you guys get approved for the Best Buy credit card through Citi, that you guys can get that 10% back and use it with your flexible payment option. So definitely confirm that with them, though. Go directly to the source with some of these questions. Confirm that they are going to apply that 10%. And also, when you guys are applying for the Citi credit card with Best Buy, you have to make sure that you guys don't have more than 5 or 6 inquiries within the last 6 months. I've been reading a lot that people have been saying that this is kind of like the sweet spot. If you guys have more than that, they're going to deny you because you just look desperate if you have too many inquiries. I do have a free inquiry removal letter if you guys do have some inquiries that's not supposed to be in your credit reports. Let me just leave it at that. I do have that letter, so definitely please check that out. And it's free, just mail it in. And then I have more information on how to remove inquiries. So definitely check that out. But 5 to 6 inquiries within the last 6